Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing gaming headphones for my Xbox One S. Hey guys, it's going to be like, maybe 3-4 videos of me unboxing stuff for my Xbox One. So, sorry about that guys, but as I said before in the other videos, I'm a PC gamer, so this is my first console, so that's why I'm going a little crazy. So, and one more important reason why I got the Xbox One. People probably, some are gonna wonder, why did he get an Xbox One and not like the PS4 or whatever? Because if you're a PC gamer, you know that a lot of these games on PC, they're doing cross-platform, so you can use, you can play your games like you play on your Xbox on your PC. So that's why I did it, because I'm a PC gamer and it goes along with my PC habits or whatever. But anyway, enough of my ramblings. Sorry to bore you guys. This is SteelSeries Arctis 5. Look at that. Alright. Alright, and it has the built-in lights that go on and on. I'm not gonna be using this headphones right now. I'm not gonna do this until I have the Xbox set up. So I'm gonna use my media remote, my external hard drive, these headphones, all that good stuff when I do the whole setup. I get to set up the Xbox first, then I'll do a video showing me using all these at the same time. So I'm not going to be doing all that. These videos are going to be pretty quick, okay? So, as I was saying, this is the SteelSeries Arctis 5 7.1 surround sound gaming headset. Okay? So, let's break the seal on this bad boy. Do a quick. Let me show you the back first. A picture of it in the back. There you go. Now, see if I can open this thing. If I break all the seals, I can. There we go. See, that's how you guys know I don't mess with a lot of consoles, because I don't even know how to take the console headphones out. All right. There we go. I like the box design. I like that. It's pretty cool. All right. Get this plastic off. Let me check the parts first before I get the main event out. Okay. Let's see. Get your little booklet. This here. Your little manual. Okay. Then inside this is the link. It's a bunch of stuff in one, but basically, let me show you guys. This is the controller here. You control your volume, basically how loud it is in game. So you can switch. I don't know if it's even showing up here. Showing up, all right. But if you can see the controller, this is for when it's in game mode, and there's another one on the side. I don't know if you guys can see it because my lighting sucks here. Chat, so you can control whichever one you're doing. Okay, and you can control the volume, so whichever one you switch it to. And you can see in the front there's a little micro USB connection right here, and in the back you have the regular USB connection. This is a pretty long cable. And you have the cable that connects to your micro USB, and then you have the other side that connects to the other end. So it's dual-sided micro USB, okay, that you can connect from here to the headphones, okay? And one more here. Let me get this up. There it is. That's where your connection goes, and then you plug this into your headphones. Let me grab the headphones here. The main event. There it is. You guys can see right here this connection. So it has the micro USB right here, and the headphone jacks right here, and then there's a volume controller built in on the headphones. You can control that, and that is where the mic is right here. If you guys can see that. Now moves around. It's pretty, I think it's pretty good construction. It's not loose or anything. Oh man, feels good. I just put it on to feel it. Oh, I like these cushions on the headphones. Oh, that felt amazing. So good. And let me plug this in here. If I can't even see this thing here. Alright, plug that in here. And plug it in here. And then you can plug this into your system. So you have two ways you can do that. You can plug it into, either use the micro USB, or you can use the adapter with the headphone jack input. So there's two different ways to use it, basically, okay? So any way you want to use it, you can use it that way. But yeah, I love the feeling. I put this on, the feeling on my ears. Oh, this thing's soft, nice, perfect fit. I love this thing. Just got it and already loved it. But you guys won't see the lighting effects and all that until I hook it up to the Xbox One. So sorry about that. This is just an unboxing, guys. So thank you guys for watching the video. Bye bye.